हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल साइंटेक लर्निंग। एंड आज हम लोग सीखेंगे पैटर्न के प्रोग्राम के बारे में। जावा में पैटर्न क्या होता है। पैटर्न जैसे ये है, ठीक है। इस पैटर्न में क्या है कि अपन रो हैं 1 2 3 4, ठीक है, और कॉलम है 1 2 3 एंड 4। तो इसका प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे अपन पैटर्न का। इसके लिए फॉर लूप फॉर I is equal to 1, I is less than 4, I plus plus, after that curly braces, after that one more for loop, and in this we are going to initialize int j is equal to 1, j is less or equal less than I, j is less than I, j plus plus. After this we are going to printing print star println. We are using println for new line, and we are nothing printing in println, and then we close. So let's get its compilation. So sorry, this is int I. So we are getting compilation. If int I is equal to 1, okay, then it checks the condition I is less or equal to 4, that's true. Then it get in another loop int j is equal to 1. So here we getting I is equal to 1, okay, and j is equal to 1, also 1. Then if this condition is true, it's j is checking condition. If j is less than I, then it print I star, okay. After that it's j plus plus, and it's checking condition int j is equal to 2 because it is incremented, and if it's check the condition, then condition is false, and it's exit to the loop, and it's coming to the println, which indicates the new line, okay. After that it's again go to the for loop int I is equal to, after incrementation int I is equal to 2, Okay, then it's come in int j is equal to 1, checking condition true, printing. Okay, and after that increment the value of j, which is j is equal to 2, and condition is true. Then it's printed second star, and it incremented the value of j in 3, and checking the condition. Then condition is going to false. If condition is going to false, then it doesn't print this statement. It's coming outside of the loop, and it uses println, and it's coming to the new line, and after that it's gone to the first loop, which is int I is equal to 1. Then it's increment the value of I plus plus, which is gone to 3. Okay, 3, it check the condition is true. Then it come to the int j is equal to 1, printed first star in third row, and then after that it's incremented the value of j, and it printed the second star. After that it's incremented the value in 3, it's printed third star. After that it's incremented the value of j as 4, and then if it's check the condition, the value of I is equal to 3 and value of j is equal to 4, then condition gone to false, and it's come out from the loop, and it's uses println for gone to new line, and after that it's again come into the first for loop, which is int I is equal to 1, and it's increment the value of I in 3 to 4. Okay, after that it's checking the condition. After that it's checking the condition, which is in the I is less or equal to 4, then condition gone to true, and it's come into the second for loop, which is int j is equal to 1, it's printed first star and increment the value of j, then it's printed second star, and after that it's incremented the value of j as 3, it's printed the third star, and after that it's incremented the value of j as 4, and it's printed fourth star, and after that if it's incremented the value of j as 5, then condition will gone to wrong, and it's coming to the outside of this for loop. Then it uses a println for coming new line, and after that if it's gone to first for loop, which is the value of I is equal to 4, and if it's incremented the value of I, which is also 4, then after incrementation it's became 5, and if it check the condition, which is I is less or equal to 4 and the value of I is equal to 5, then the condition is gone to false, and it's exit from the whole program. After that we are going to checking compile in Eclipse IDE my program. So we are going to take new pattern, taking main class. After that we are taking for loop for int I is equal to 1, I is less or equal to 1, I plus plus. After that we are taking second for loop int j is equal to 1, j is less or equal to I, then j plus plus. After that we are using system.out.println and we are going to printing a star. After that we are using system.out.println for new line and we are nothing printing in this, so we are going to run this program. Run as Java application. Okay, sorry. So this is the program. We are going to run this program. Run as Java application, and then we can see this is the my pattern. And if we want to make some space between the stars, then we can give space, and again we are going to run my program. So this is the clear pattern of program. And again if we want to print a star like that, if we want to print a star like that, and opposite of first star program, then we want to simply change in some minor changes in the program. Then in second program we are simply going to change the condition of j as j is equal to 4 and j is greater or equal to I and j minus minus. So if you want to print this kind of pattern, then we use for int I is equal to 1, I is less or equal to 4, I plus plus, and then curly braces start, and second loop for int j is equal to 4, j is greater or equal to I, j minus minus. Then we are going to print a star. So if you cross check it, then first int I is equal to 1. Okay, and after that we are checking the condition I is less or equal to 4. Okay, it's gone true. and it's come in the second loop, which is int j is equal to 4, and j is greater or equal to I is equal to 1, and j is equal to 4, which is true. Then if we check the second loop where I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 4, okay, then we are, if we checking condition j is greater or equal to I, then it's one true and it's print star one time, okay. Then again it increment the value of j, which is became 4 to 3, and it's print the star. After that it's increment the value of j 3 to 2 and print star in third time, and after that it's increment the value of j as 2 to 1 and it's print fourth star. After that the value of j after incrementation become 0. Then if we check condition j is less, j is greater or equal to I, then it become false and it's come outside of the loop and it's become to new line. And if we are checking the program of this type of pattern, then simply we are using int j is equal to 4 and j is greater or equal to I, and j minus minus. After that if we are using println statement, run, if we run the program, then we get result. This is the result of that kind of pattern, okay. If you understand something in my video, so please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.